Hello doctors, this is a video related to anatomy mnemonics. In this video we will be covering three topics: muscles of shoulder joint and muscles of rotator cuff. Our first topic is muscles of shoulder and the mnemonic is do small schools in Trilokpuri teach? The mnemonic is in the form of a question. Please tally the mnemonic with me. Do is for deltoid, small is for subscapularis, school is for supraspinatus, in is for infraspinatus, Trilokpuri is for teres minor, and teach is for teres major. That's it. Next topic, muscles of shoulder joint, and the mnemonic is please doctor come back to third tower ladies super specialty ICU. Now you can tally the mnemonic with me. Please is for pectoralis major, doctor is for deltoid, come is for coracobrachialis, back is for bicep, 2 is for tricep, third is for teres major, tower is for teres minor, ladies is for latissimus dorsi, super is for supraspinatus, specialty is for subscapularis, and ICU is for infraspinatus. Next topic is rotator cuff. Rotator cuff is very frequently asked in short note in your examination. So the rotator cuff is the group of four muscles which originates from the scapula and attaches to the humeral head. So the six muscles which we studied in the shoulder muscles, only four are the part of rotator cuff. Deltoid and teres major are not the part of rotator cuff. Four muscles of rotator cuff are subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and teres minor. Now mnemonics of shoulder are almost done for this video. Please try to answer this quiz. Which muscle is common shoulder muscle? A. Pectoralis major, B. Tricep, C. Deltoid, or D. Bicep. So please try to answer in comment down below. Now I can say your shoulder joint muscles are almost done, and big shout out to Dr. Akash who asked us for this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.